In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add anchor points to paths in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever needed more control over your shapes, curves, or custom vector designs, adding anchor points is one of the most important skills you can learn. It allows you to refine curves, adjust segments, and create more precise designs without starting over. Make sure to watch until the end so you understand not just how to add anchor points, but how to use them effectively. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Adobe Illustrator and select the path you want to modify. You can do this using either the Selection tool, which you can activate by pressing V on your keyboard, or the Direct Selection tool by pressing A. If you want to select the entire object, use the Selection tool. If you only want to work on a specific segment or see existing anchor points clearly, use the Direct Selection tool. Click on your path so it becomes active. Once your path is selected, the next step is to switch to the Pen tool. You can press P on your keyboard as a shortcut, or select it from the toolbar on the left side of your screen. The Pen tool is what allows you to create and modify anchor points along a path. Now here's the key part. Move your cursor over the existing path line. As you hover directly over the path, you'll notice a small plus icon appear next to the Pen tool cursor. That plus sign is extremely important. It indicates that Illustrator is ready to add a new anchor point exactly where your cursor is positioned. When you see that plus icon, simply click once on the path. As soon as you click, Illustrator will insert a brand new anchor point at that exact location. You'll immediately see the new point appear along the path. After adding the anchor point, you can switch back to the Direct Selection tool by pressing A. Click on the new anchor point to adjust it. You can click and drag to reposition it, or if it's part of a curved path, you may see direction handles that let you control the curvature. This gives you much finer control over the shape of your object. You can repeat this process as many times as needed. Just keep the path selected, choose the Pen tool, hover until you see the plus icon, and click to add additional anchor points. This is especially useful when refining complex shapes, adjusting curves, or preparing artwork for detailed edits. A quick tip: make sure you are clicking directly on the path line. If you click outside the path, Illustrator will start creating a brand new path instead of adding a point to the existing one. If that happens, simply undo with Ctrl-Z or Command-Z and try again. Adding anchor points strategically instead of randomly will keep your design clean and easier to edit later. Too many anchor points can make shapes harder to manage, so only add them where you need more control. And that's it. That's how you add anchor points to paths in Illustrator, quickly and accurately. It's a simple technique, but it makes a huge difference when working with vector graphics. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.